Hello everyone, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to use intelligent agents to remind students of an assignment that is coming due. While D2L does do a pretty nice job with notifications, sometimes having a slightly more personalized email helps. To get started, go to Edit Course in the course nav bar, and then find and click on Intelligent Agents. From there, click on New Agent in the upper left corner. Give the agent a name. The description is optional, but I will give mine one anyway. I have a feeling that I will be making other intelligent agents for other homework assignments. For the purposes of organization, I will add a category called Assignments Due. To do this, I click on Add Category. Then check Agent is enabled. Next, in the scheduling section, I only want the agent to remind them this one time. So under frequency, I will choose one-time run. And then schedule the date. The assignment is due about a week from now, so I will have it run 2 days before the assignment is due at 8 a.m. In the criteria section, I only want students to trigger this agent. And I will select users with specific roles, and then check the checkbox to the left of student. From there, we will scroll to the bottom of this section and click on Create under Release Conditions. We will only go through release conditions quickly as we have discussed this in a previous video. Under Condition Type, find the Dropbox section and choose No Submission to Dropbox. Then select the Dropbox to base the condition on and click on Create. In the Actions section, repetitions in this case does not matter. We are only running this agent once and it will only evaluate the criteria once. We do want the agent to send an email, so we will select the checkbox to the left of Send an email when the criteria are satisfied. Then we will construct our email using the special strings D2L provides us. As this was discussed in a previous video on intelligent agents, we will just do it quickly here. For my message, I have Hi, open curly brace, initiating user first name, close curly brace. This is just a quick reminder that an assignment is coming due soon in open curly brace, OrgUnitName, close curly brace. Please make sure to complete the assignment before the due date. Let me know if there are any questions or issues I can help with. Best, Tyler. Note that I am intentionally leaving the message a bit vague. This is for a few reasons. First, I want students to go to the course space in D2L and figure out what assignment is coming due. More specifically, this puts the onus on the student to manage their time wisely. Second, this makes it easier for me to copy and modify this agent for other assignments later on, or copy it to other courses for the same purpose. Next, click on Save and Close. Make sure to do a practice run on the agent by clicking on the drop-down caret to the right of it, and choosing Practice Run in the drop-down menu that appears. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.